Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how we can hide already done or completed epics as work items or issues in your Jira site. So let us dive right into it. So head over to your project. Let me go with that wedding planner here. And if we take a look at the board view of this project, guys, you won't see any epics. So to enable or to make epics visible, done, or in progress, simply switch to the timeline view here. And there you go, you will see these epics listed here. Now you can of course select or filter out specific epics if you like by clicking into this button here. You can create more epics, and here you will see the current status of the given issue or work item. For example, that epic has already been done. So if you'd like to hide these guys from that list, do the following. Click into this button in the top right corner of your timeline project view and access your timeline's view settings. And here simply disable the show completed feature. And there you go. As you can see, the completed epic has been successfully hidden. And you can, for example, re-enable them again or disable. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.